There are a lot of different levels of how you're working.
There are.
So as the managing principal, soft skills are important for you, I'm sure, as leading the firm, as well as the others. Tell us a little bit about what you think are the important soft skills you need to have.
Well, I think, in any leadership position, people are looking to the leader or the person who's designated as a leader, not only for substantive knowledge and substantive leadership, but also for empathy and for skills that are interactive and that are comfortable for the employees, particularly today, and maybe we'll talk a little bit about it later, in the era of the Me Too movement, the attention paid to not only what the substance of a communication is, but how it's communicated, very, very important. And so we have about 400 total employees in our firm, and we don't like turnover. We don't experience a lot of turnover, and I think one of the reasons for that is not only because of what we pay and the benefits that we provide, it's because we try very hard to be empathetic to employees and to establish collegial environments. And in order to do that, you have to have soft skills. You have to be able to communicate effectively with all employees, not simply attorneys, but support staff and administrative people as well.
Well, you want the people who are here to like coming to work, especially I know attorneys work more than just 9 to 5.
Right.
So with all those hours, you want to know that people are hearing you and supporting you and are willing to understand what your particular needs are, which all come under the soft skills.
Well, they do. And we always say that the mission of any law firm is not simply making sure that it serves its clients well, but it needs to serve its employees well. Because if you don't, the employees, even the non-attorneys, are the ones that make the attorneys look good most of the time. And if they're unhappy or uncomfortable, it doesn't redound well for the attorneys. So we do stress that on a consistent basis.
And even when somebody walks into an office, and I had a positive experience here today.
Oh, good.
But the first person you meet is the front of your organization. And if they're not friendly, or if they don't pay attention to you as you walk in the door, that's setting the whole mood from my experience here.
You're right. And, we have a number of offices, and obviously we have a receptionist in each office, and we make it clear to them that they're often the first point of contact for somebody coming in, whether it's a vendor, a visitor, a client, an adversary. So that, one of the things that we look for when we hire a receptionist is to make sure that there's somebody that will instill comfort and be courteous to anybody who walks through that door, because they are the representative for a period of time of the firm, and somebody is going to notice that. And if it's a bad experience, it doesn't bode well for anybody in the firm.
Right. And somebody has to be authentic. I always remember somebody saying to me, I'm at the front desk and I'm told to smile all the time, but if somebody comes up to me and they're very upset, should I still smile? And I said, absolutely not.
Right.
So we need to be authentic and not just have that plastered smile and greeting, but we have to have some sensitivities.
We would like to think that everybody in the firm is authentic.
Right.
Sometimes it doesn't happen, but that really is, again, a philosophy that we would hope to project to the community at large.
And what you're saying holds true, I think, for every organization. Right? We all have to have these soft skills so that people come in and they feel like they want to come back, or that person's understanding of them.